Welcome to Werks. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you do, please like, subscribe, and comment. Today's video is on a Harbor Fright 3-point quick hitch for my Kubota tractor. I've struggled to hook up 3-point equipment on my tractor, and it sometimes took 10 to 15 minutes to get everything correct. Through coupons, sales, and credits that I had, I was able to purchase this for about $100. So I thought, why not? If it doesn't work, I'll take it back. The hitch weighs about 100 pounds, give or take a few pounds, and I was able to handle it without any help. It was packaged fairly well and showed no signs of shipping damage or other issues you might expect from its long journey from Chinaman land. I first connected to the lower couplings using quick disconnect pins. I wanted to be able to take the hitch off if needed without using any tools. It was pretty straightforward. Line the holes up, slide the pin through, and then put the retaining clip through the pin. Then I connected the upper link to the hitch in much the same manner. So far, so good. The real test came when I went to pick up the implement. Hardest part was lining up the hitch with the implement. Once the lower pins were in the receiver on the quick hitch, it was just a matter of raising the quick hitch to engage and connect the upper receiver. The locks were automatically closed once the implement was lifted. That was easy. I'm showing the gap in the lower pins because I need to make some adapters to take up that extra space. I will also make some spacers for the top link to keep it centered on the pin. I'll make those parts and put them in a future video. I also purchased a top hook for the quick hitch. This is shown and will push the connection a little further out from the quick hitch. This was needed because the bolts that connected the top hook interfered with some of my implements. The final view shows the top hook installed with quick disconnect pins and retaining clips. I'm going to keep the quick hitch. It will be a real time and back saver, and I should have bought this a lot sooner. Thank you for watching Werks, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did like the video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe for future videos, and comment. Thanks again.